the heart of the rainforest. Here we can discover the secrets of a world 100 million years old. The forest has survived from prehistoric times, outlasting the dinosaurs. Huge trees stand like monuments amidst the symphony of life. Shrouded in a translucent veil, millions of living organisms compete for light beneath the canopy. Layer upon layer, life here exists in harmony. Trees in the rainforest have been known to live as long as 350 years and grow to nearly 200 feet tall. Throughout the forest, trees seek sunlight. Its energy allows them to process the nutrients they need to survive. A soft carpet of moss covers these ancient Arctic beech trees as they reach ever skyward in search of the light. Water, the great sustainer of life in the rainforest. These rivers and streams are the veins and arteries of the rainforest ecosystem. The rainforest canopy shields its vulnerable inhabitants from the harsh surrounding elements. It also serves as a home. High up in the trees, we can find birds living among the branches of the canopy. In some areas of the rainforest, the moisture in the air forms a fine blanket of mist. The mist filters the sunlight into a soft haze. Elsewhere, beams of sunlight cut through the forest, creating dramatic glowing rays. Looking high into the canopy, countless trees can be seen competing for their place in the forest. Further below, however, other forms of life are involved in their own struggle. The forest teems with insect life. Ants, nature's tiny soldiers. They are inhabitants of almost any location on Earth and flourish in the lush and fertile world of the forest floor. Imagine for a moment the enormity of the world as these creatures see it. Every stick and leaf would compare to the size of a building or a freeway. Their day is busy with exploration and foraging for food. Ants follow the trails of other ants. With complex and subtle chemical communication, ants can talk perfectly to one another. Many creatures travel the same pathways. For this caterpillar, it's a lonely solo journey. Different insects have their own ways of getting from place to place. Rainforest creatures have an amazing variety of special abilities. Many insects are masters of disguise. This creature resembles a piece of bark and moves slowly, almost invisible to potential predators. For some animals, blending in is not high on the list of priorities. This beetle's metallic shell reflects the light, a warning to birds and other predators that there are better options on the lunch menu. For tiny insects, every detail of the environment is an enormous landscape. Although small, they play a large part in the life of the rainforest.